Where we are, custom house for XL. We are the stars, so welcome. We're going to try and do something a little bit new at Salon International this week, or this year should I say. I'm Aaron, this is Karl, and yeah, we are about to go and spread the word of GoSalon, and we're going to try and, what we're going to try and do is, we've got 500 of these flyers, and we've got 2 hours to try and distribute them to everyone that we possibly can. So come and join us. Let's see what happens, shall we? Let's see on the inside. Before we do though, I know Karl's glasses look a little bit ridiculous. He should have gone to Specsavers, but they are camera glasses, can you believe? What's that?
You're not allowed to use the camera inside the menu.
Okay.
You can use your phone if you want to take videos or photos.
Sounds a bit odd, doesn't it?
It does sound a bit odd, alright. Here's some logic. So, as we enter XL, the security guard comes up to us and tells us we can't use our big digital camera, we're only allowed to use our phone camera to take video. Make sense of that. Anyway, onwards. Screenshot that bad boy. So welcome back to Salon International. Guess who I've had the misfortune, fortune of bumping into?
Hi, how you doing?
Look at that beautiful man. Oh, he looks so good. Say hello, Randolph. Never ceases to amaze me, this place, how busy it gets. Smaller than other years. Let's go and check out Dyson's. Oh shit, I'm supposed to be handing these out. As I'm busy watching shows while I'm supposed to be handing out flyers, let's see how Karl's getting on the other side.
No? Okay. You've got some people here today. That's my next victim. How you doing? I'm just giving out flyers. Might be something you might be interested in. Have a great day. Oh, look at this guy. Hello. Can I leave that there for you guys? It might be something you'd be interested in. It's a free service. Thanks. Oh, Aaron, I am winning. Take it, my dear.
Oh,
thank you. Always make a little too furry. There you go. Thanks.
That's enough of spy cam. Let's see how I'm doing. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not doing great. It's difficult because I don't want to be annoying the crap out of it. It's so busy here. I've probably got only flat 25 so far. I need to do better. I'm not sure if you can hear any of this, so noisy. Anyway, here goes. Hello ladies, can I give you one of these?
No.
I'll give you one of these. Come and join GoSalon. Retail revolution is here. Yo, look who I've just bumped into then, eh? How are we all?
All good, we're good.
Guess where he is? Hi ladies, can I give you one of these? Are you hairdressers,
Yes,
yeah?
yeah.
Would you like to do more retail?
Yeah.
Join GoSalon. Free service. We'll sell things you've never sold before for the internet price, and you don't have to do a thing. Don't even have to buy the stuff up front. Check us out. Give us a chance. And I'll be excited to catch up with Karl, see how many he's got rid of. Be intrigued to see how many we actually get from this whole thing. Just sitting down having their lunch.
Good stuff for lots of those. Yeah, you always working this guy.
Well,
All the time.
trying. Your picture's on the front, mate. Your picture's on the front. Look what I bumped into. I'll send this to him after. Your picture's on the front. We're doing a whole resource book, like education book.
Nice.
But it's going to be like really cool
That's
pictures
good, I like
and
that.
stuff. But yeah.
Because no one really got it back then. So we're really lucky that we are in a blessed world of acceptance, and a lot has changed since then, but...
So if there was an award for who can wear the most rainbows, I think this guy definitely wins.
Hi, what's a BB member mean?
So it means you become a member of Pro UK.
Oh.
So it's what we're doing is we come through the magazine.
Yeah.
So it is your first
A few moments later.
It's probably something that isn't for me. Thanks, bye now. Cheers. And while you're waiting, something to read. You're welcome. Hello. There we go. Thanks, guys. You go on then. Is our customers to put their products that they use, hair dryers, brushes, shampoos, even products that they don't actually advertise. They can put it in their shop, and we give them a QR code, so their customers then go to their own shop, and they can buy it at the cheapest price possible. And then the person who has this GoSalon, they get commission, 70% commission. Can we show you a quick demo?
Yeah.
I'll show you my app, okay? Hello.
Hi.
Do you have an online shop at all where you can buy all these things?
Yeah, we have our own webpage.
You have your own webpage. Does it cost Do you have to pay for it? It costs hosting and anything like that? It must cost something, right, to get it run?
Probably, yeah.
Well, this is the same thing, but it's free.
Okay.
Okay, it's called GoSalon. So you can put all your products in there,
Yeah.
and then whenever someone goes on there, they'll find it at the cheapest price possible. And the commission, you will get 70% of the commission on what it is, and we just pay you every month. And there's no subscriptions, there's no sign-ups.
So it's like a market.
One person did actually come up to me and ask me, what's that you know, I think this is collecting.
Alright, should we get it half an hour? What's time now? I think, there's Dom as well. 2 birds, 1 stone. Alright, Dom.
Hello, mate. How are you? I'm very well. I love a hug. How's it all going?
This is my colleague Karl, by the way. He's helping out. This is Dom. This is the silkiest voice in hairdressing. So
I don't know what sound that was, so I'll go with that.
I'm just building, just bubbling. We've said.
You still enjoying it all?
Yeah, I love it, mate.
You need a space here, don't you? Wouldn't it be nice?
I don't know. Yeah, maybe if it was free. I don't think I could afford it on the budget. I think we're on our way out now. We want to get home for the England match.
Yeah, I want to watch that as well. They were awful the other night, though, weren't they?
They were. Right. Okay. Right, this is the big reveal, mate. So then, tell me, how many? We've come to the end of the day at Salon International. We've had a great day. We've met up with loads of old pals and colleagues from the past. It's been really, really good. How you got on then, Mr. Watts?
I've probably got rid of most of them, but 16 left. I spoke to lots of people today. People were quite interested. People that were already had their own online shop, but they're paying hosting, they're paying all this sort of fees for it and everything. I'm just like, well, we can do that for nothing. Save you lots of money, lots of pennies.
Yes.
But it was great, yes. Got to speak to loads of people. Everyone was lovely. Got to...
How many do you have left then, mate?
Well, it says here, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I think you've absolutely thrashed me. I've got a huge pile
10,
here.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 left.
Well done, mate.
Thank you.
Right,
Thank
were
you
you
very much.
in
I was chasing a few people around. I was putting in a few bags and stuff.
MVP, mate.
Yeah,
You're the
thank you very much, thank
MVP.
you. I
Right,
told
well,
you I wouldn't
thank
lose.
you for joining us. We thought we'd try something different this year for Salon International. We try and gamify, raise awareness of GoSalon. Remember to join us, please. Check us out, gosalon.uk. Join the retail revolution. Come and give us a chance. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye. What's that?
You're not allowed to use the camera inside the venue.
Okay.
You can use your phone if you want to take videos or photos.
Sounds a bit odd, doesn't it?
Does sound a bit odd. All right.
On your phone, you can't use the camera on your phone.